Coach Hunter here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to warm up properly in your workout so that you can minimize the risk of injury, but also maximize the amount of weight that you're lifting. Today I want to go over with you how to warm up properly for a heavier set that you're working towards in your strength training. And what this is going to do is help reduce fatigue so you can actually lift more weight on that heavy set, but also reduce the risk for injury in your workout. So I'm just going to do this with you in my workout for today. Let's hop in this together. So when you're going into your first warm-up sets, you want to have an idea for what weight you're shooting for. So for example, the program that I'm following is very simple. It's called 5x5, and I know that each day I'm going to shoot for a given amount of weight for 5 sets of 5 repetitions. Today, what I am shooting for, so I am shooting for 250 pounds for 5 sets of 5 reps. So that's what we're gonna be warming up to. But if you don't know what your target is, take that time to go find where you should start. Once you know what weight that you're shooting for today, for me again, it's 250, you wanna always start out with a bar. And the reason is you just wanna get your body used to the movement pattern that you're doing. Now, ideally before you go into any strength training, maybe you've done some foam rolling, you've done some mobility, attacking those areas that you know are tight. So in a squat, we know, hey, if we have tight ankles, tight hips, we may wanna do some mobility there. We may want to do some soft tissue work around those muscles to make sure that you can squat safely. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to do 10 repetitions of the bar. So once you've done those 10 repetitions of the bar, whether that be in your squat, whether that be in your bench press, we now want to progress slowly up towards that target weight, being 250 for us today. So I want to make jumps in about 45 to 50 pound increments. And so the next jump for me would be adding 25 pound plates. So now we're going to do 5 reps of 95 pounds. So notice here that we are actually lowering the amount of reps we're doing. Yeah, I could do 20 or 25 or 30 of these, but that's not the point. We don't want to fatigue ourselves in our warm-up. We just want to get our body ready to lift heavy weight and send some signals to our body letting us know that, hey, we're gonna slowly be progressing this weight up and up and up. So get ready. So one thing I want you to notice while I'm doing these sets is I'm going as fast as possible. I am exploding, and the reason is no matter what amount of weight you have on that bar, if your goal is to get stronger, you want to produce as much force into that bar as you can. And the way you generate force is 2 ways: by increasing the amount of weight on the bar, or by increasing the speed or the acceleration, the velocity at which you are moving the bar. So if our weight is lower, like it is now, it's a very small percent of my 1 rep max, then I want to explode and move the bar faster. Whereas when you have a lot of weight on the bar, you may not be able to move it very fast, but the signals that you're sending to your brain should be, I'm still trying to move it as fast as I can. That's how you're gonna maximize the amount of strength gains you get. The stronger you get, in many cases, you're gonna build more muscle mass, and then overall your fitness, your gains, your results are going to skyrocket. Okay, now we're gonna go to 185 by 3. All right, now we're going to 225 by 1. Great, so you may have noticed with that set, I still tried to move as fast as I could, but it wasn't as fast as it was when I lifted 185 or when I lifted 135. And it simply, again, goes back to the equation. We added more mass, so our acceleration, our velocity is going to slow down. So we did 225 by 1. Now, if we made another 50-pound jump, we would go beyond the goal of today. So now we're gonna go right into our working sets of 250, 5 by 5. So let's hop into it. All right, I just finished up my last set. It is 3:48, which means we've got people coming in for their workout here in about 12 minutes. So I'm gonna end the video with that. If you found this video helpful, if you feel like this video deserves a like, please leave that like below. It helps the channel so much, helps other people like you get their results and their strength and their fat loss, whatever they want for their fitness goals. And of course, if you wanna see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. But until next time, small steps, big results.